G'day viewers, welcome back to another project from the shed. I've had a few people ask me about two-way switching with these smart switches. Look, they don't support it when it comes to the wiring terminals on the back of it, but there is a way that you can do it through the software. So without too much more buggering around, let's grab the tablet and I'll show you how to do it. Rightio, on the tablet you'll go to your Tuya Smart app and to the light that you want to set up double switching on. I'm going to open this one up. Then on the little edit pencil button up the top here, we're going to tap on that to enter the menu for the device. You'll see down here we've got multi-device association. We're going to open that up. In here we're going to tap on the plus symbol and we're going to add another switch. So we're going to add the front hall switch here. Select the bedroom hall, which is what it is. Make sure that it's enabled, and yeah, that's all there is to it. It's all done by software. So if we back out of that, we can turn it on and off just with a tap of the button or via voice control through Google. Okay Google, hall light on.
Alright, turning the hall light on.
Okay Google, hall light off.
Alright, turning off the hall light.
Lovely. Alright, and that's all that there is to it. Alright, if you got a bit of good info out of that, it's helped you out of a bit of a bind, don't forget to give me the old thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed, click the little subscribe button down there in the doobawaki below. And yeah, I'll see you next time. Bye for now.